Now in this special video, I'm going to go into deep hidden psychology of why it is that men suddenly have this massive urge to really commit and pull toward you whenever it is that you pull away from them. And once you understand this concept, you'll suddenly know how to handle men in dating in so many situations. So keep watching. Hey there, Adam Littlechick from sexyconfidence.com, where I help you create your love story. I'm going to be talking all about commitment in this video. Now, in order to explain the psychology of why it is that men commit when it is that you pull away, I want you to imagine this scenario. You're sitting in the office and you overhear your boss saying that he wants to give you a raise of $1,000 per month. Imagine how psyched you would be in this situation. Free money? Nothing better than free money. Now imagine a different scenario. You're hanging out at the water cooler at work and you hear your boss talking to your HR manager about cutting your salary down by $1,000 a month. Now think about how that would make you feel. Are you kidding me? You'd be furious. Now, interestingly, research has shown that the feeling of losing and gaining the same thing is actually much different. We as humans would rather choose not to lose something over gaining the same exact thing. In other words, the negative feelings coming from the loss of something are much, much stronger than the positive feelings we get from the gain of getting something. In short, we simply hate losing. And that creates this psychological phenomenon called loss aversion. Now let's put this into terms that you can understand in your dating life with men. Imagine you go on a couple dates with a guy and the chemistry is just freaking awesome. You have loose plans to hang out the following weekend, but then he goes silent for the weekend. But you play cool because you're a sexy single lady and you don't invest more emotionally in a guy than he's investing in you. And then on Monday, he texts you, "Hey, sorry about this weekend. I had a few friends from college in town that I hadn't seen in a while. Let's hang out next weekend?" Now there are two different ways to respond to this guy. Response A, which is what most women would do, is they'd wait a few hours to respond to show him that you're really mad, but then respond and say,
"Yeah, that sounds great. Let me know which night works for you."
Now that's probably what most women would do if they actually like the guy. However, there's response B, and it looks like this.
"Bummer, this past weekend was my last open one for a while. Maybe I'll text you if something opens up."
He's gonna be like, man, here's what's happened here. You've taken back control. You didn't get mad at him or anything about flaking on you for the past weekend, but you made it known that he's potentially going to lose you if he doesn't get his freaking act together. As humans, we value things that we need to work for and put effort into. And if something we work for suddenly gets pulled away, it drives us absolutely crazy. And maybe you've noticed that whenever a guy starts to pull away from you, you're suddenly drawn to him. This is incredibly common when it comes to the dating scene, and so long as you're aware of this dynamic, suddenly you can use it to your advantage. So I'd love for you to try this technique and let me know what you think. Or leave a comment right there below if you've ever been in a scenario where either you've pulled away and he's come to you, or he's pulled away and you've come to him. Leave that comment right there below. And also, as part of this video release, I have a very special training for you that's going to teach you how to make a man miss you and commit to you and only you. You can click the link in the description or anywhere where you're watching this video, or even in the card on YouTube. Go ahead and join for that free training. It's only going to be available for a short period of time. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe on YouTube for more videos just like this every single week. Thank you so much for watching. Speak to you next week. Bye-bye.